detail.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday unveiled the three magnificent and prestigious Durand Cup trophies in a grand ceremony held in the State Convention Centre. The 132nd edition of the legendary Durand Cup football tournament, organized by the Indian Army on behalf of the three services, is the only cup tournament in the country which pits service teams along with the top teams from different divisions of Indian football. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that Shillong will be one of the hosts of the Durand Cup in 2024.
We have realized that the kind of talent and the kind of passion, I should say, that our youngsters have for different sports and different disciplines needs to be supported in the correct manner. And hence, in the last 5 years, tremendous amount of energy, a lot of financial support, and different activities have been held in order to ensure that sports is given priority in our state.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday said